In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files on Microsoft Forms using the full 2025 guide. We'll be going through each step so you can follow along and implement this in your own forms. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to forms.office.com. Once you're there, make sure to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you haven't got a Microsoft account yet, you'll need to create one before you can proceed. After signing in, you'll have the option to either create a new form or open an existing one that you plan to add file uploads to. Now, once you've got your form open, you will want to go to the editing screen. This is where the magic happens. Look for the plus sign that says Add New and click on it. This will bring up a menu of question types you can add to your form. Here you'll need to select File Upload. Occasionally this option might not be immediately visible, in which case you should click on the drop-down menu to display more options. When selecting the File Upload option, Microsoft Forms will inform you that a new folder will be created in your OneDrive or SharePoint, depending on whether you're using a personal, business, or educational account. Simply accept by clicking Yes to continue. Next up, let's configure the upload settings. Here's where you can manage and control what respondents can upload. You can specify what file types are allowed by choosing from images, videos, documents, spreadsheets, presentations, or simply allowing all file types. You also have the ability to set the maximum number of files each respondent can upload, ranging from 1 to 10 files. Plus, you can determine the maximum file size for each upload, which can be as large as 1 GB per file in 2025. After setting up these configurations, it's always good practice to conduct a test. Click on Preview in the top right corner of your form to run a test upload. This allows you to ensure that all settings function correctly and the feature looks good from a respondent's perspective. Respondents will see an upload button, enabling them to select files directly from their devices to submit. Now let's talk about where those uploaded files will be stored. For personal accounts, all uploaded files go directly to OneDrive under Apps, Microsoft Forms, followed by the name of your form. For business or educational accounts, files will be found under SharePoint in the Documents section. Just navigate through Apps to Microsoft Forms and into the folder with your form's name. This structure allows easy direct access to submissions by clicking Responses, then View in OneDrive SharePoint. Finally, when it comes to sharing your form after enabling file uploads, it's crucial to note that for security reasons, only people within your organization can submit files. If you require responses from individuals outside your organization, you'll need to explore other collection methods, such as asking for file submissions via email. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on uploading files in Microsoft Forms for 2025. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you in your endeavors. See you next time.